Are you broke but still need a reliable car? Yes, good options still exist. Finding an affordable car that won't let you down may seem impossible, but there are still plenty of dependable, fuel-efficient and low-maintenance choices out there. So, let's get into it. The 10 best cars to buy when you're on a tight budget. Mitsubishi Galant. At number 10, we have the Mitsubishi Galant. This car often flies under the radar in the used car market, but it's a hidden gem for those on a budget. Powered by a durable 2.4-litre four-cylinder engine, it delivers solid performance while staying fuel-efficient. Expect around 23 miles per gallon in the city and 30 on the highway. With a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission, it provides a comfortable driving experience. Though it's not as well known as other sedans, the Galant can handle high mileage with proper maintenance, making it a smart pick when every dollar counts. Honda Element number 9, the Honda Element. This uniquely designed crossover is as practical as it is reliable. The legendary K24 engine under the hood is a workhorse, known for its long lifespan and efficiency. The fold-up rear seats and washable flooring make it a dream for pet owners, campers, and anyone who needs extra cargo space. If you're looking for versatility and dependability, the Element is a fantastic option for under $5,000. Pontiac Vibe number 8, the Pontiac Vibe. Even though Pontiac is long gone, this car remains an excellent choice. Why? Because it's essentially a Toyota Matrix with a different badge, featuring Toyota's rock-solid 1.8-litre engine and drivetrain. With fuel efficiency at around 28 miles per gallon, maintenance is a breeze since many of its parts are interchangeable with the Toyota Corolla. If you want reliability without spending a fortune, the Vibe is a smart buy. Ford Fusion Hybrid, coming in at number 7, the 2010 Ford Fusion Hybrid. Don't be fooled by Ford's mixed reliability record. This hybrid is built to last. The 2.5-litre four-cylinder gas engine, paired with electric motors, delivers incredible fuel economy. Owners have reported these cars easily passing 200,000 miles with routine maintenance. Parts are affordable and repair costs are manageable, making this a great budget-friendly hybrid. Mercury Milan Hybrid. At number 6, the Mercury Milan Hybrid. If you've never heard of this car, you're not alone. But that's exactly why it's a bargain. It's essentially a rebadged Ford Fusion Hybrid, sharing the same powertrain and durability. Since fewer people search for Mercury models, you can often find one for cheaper than the Fusion, making it an underrated yet excellent buy for anyone looking for a budget hybrid. Toyota Matrix number 5, the Toyota Matrix. A practical and ultra-reliable hatchback, the Matrix is built to last. Powered by a 1.8-litre four-cylinder engine, it strikes the perfect balance between power and fuel efficiency. Manual transmission versions are particularly bulletproof, and with Toyota's reputation for longevity, this car is a no-brainer for those who need a budget-friendly, worry-free ride. Mazda 3, 2007 to 2009. At number 4, the Mazda 3. If you want a car that's fun to drive but still reliable, look no further. The first-generation Mazda 3 with the 2.0-litre engine is an absolute workhorse. It's known for longevity and excellent fuel efficiency. Be sure to avoid the 2.3-litre turbo models, which have oil consumption issues. Stick to the 2.0-litre, and you'll have a solid car that can easily surpass 200,000 miles with proper care. Honda Accord, 2006 to 2007. Number 3, the Honda Accord 2.4. The 2006 to 2007 Accord is one of the most reliable budget cars available. The K-Series engine is built to last, and because it uses a timing chain instead of a belt, maintenance is minimal. The 5-speed automatic transmission provides a smooth driving experience, and Honda's reputation for reliability makes this a fantastic long-term investment. Toyota Corolla, 2005, coming in at number 2, the 2005 Toyota Corolla. Known for its bulletproof reliability, this car is the ultimate daily commuter. The 1.8-litre four-cylinder engine delivers impressive fuel efficiency, 30 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. With minimal maintenance, it can easily surpass 250,000 miles. If you need a cheap, worry-free car, the Corolla is an unbeatable choice. Lexus ES. Finally, at number 1, the Lexus ES. If you're broke but still want a touch of luxury, this is the car for you. Built on Toyota's rock-solid platform, the 4th-generation Lexus ES offers a smooth ride, a powerful 3.3-litre V6 engine, and legendary reliability. Many owners report these cars running past 300,000 miles with proper care. Plus, since it shares parts with the Toyota Camry, maintenance is affordable. If you want a dependable car with premium features at a budget price, this is the ultimate pick. And there you have it, the top 10 best cars to buy when you're broke.